sensor light has 4 modes: off, night mode, day and night, and on. If I switch it to night mode, it will not turn on if motion is detected during the day. If I turn off the light, it will turn on automatically. Well, if I switch it to day and night, it will turn on regardless of the ambient light. So if I come here and turn on the backlight, and after it goes off, and it should turn back on again when the motion is detected. And always on. This is always on mode. It will never turn off until the battery runs out. Charging test. The micro USB cable is not included. So I'm using a high quality Anker short cable to conduct this test. Well, the charging is pretty slow at 1.5 watts. Okay, and I have turned it off. By turning it on does not affect the charging status, and you can use it when it's charging. When it's charging, shows red. It comes with a very strong magnets. And you can attach it to any metal surface. These metal plates are included. We have 4 of them with 3M tapes. So the mounting options is pretty good. You can also drill the hole, use the screws to mount this metal plate. Some of these specs: brightness, lumens, and obviously it's using a 3.7 volts lithium-ion battery, and timer is 15 seconds plus or minus 2 seconds. And these are the function modes: metal mounting surface,